Simplify the following expression. So we're going to multiply these two polynomials together. The first one is a binomial, 2 terms. The second one is simply a polynomial because it has 4 terms. And I am going to switch over to my notebook paper here to do this problem. I know I have other problems worked out on it. But the first problem is simply a distributive property. We're going to take the 2x and we're going to multiply it by each term in that second polynomial. So just a reminder that this is x to the first. So 2 times 5 is 10. X to the first times x to the fourth is x to the fifth. 2x times negative 7x cubed. Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 7 is 14. X to the first times x to the third. We add the exponents. We get x to the fourth. 2x times 6x squared. Both of those are positive. Positive times positive is positive. 2 times 6 is 12. X to the first times x to the second is x cubed. 2x times negative 9. Positive times negative is negative. And we get negative 18x. But that was just multiplying the 2x by everything. So now what we have to do is we need to multiply the negative 3. So I tried to be pretty purposeful with the signs. Negative 3 times 5x to the fourth is negative 15x to the fourth. Negative 3 times negative 7x cubed. Negative times negative is positive. And it might be nice that negative 3 times negative 7 is positive 21 x cubed. Negative 3 times positive 6x squared is negative 18 x squared. And negative 3 times negative 9 is positive 27. So now we can go back and we can combine like terms. And 10x to the fifth doesn't have anything alike. We've got minus 14x to the fourth and minus 15x to the fourth, which is minus 29x to the fourth. We have positive 12x cubed plus positive 21x cubed, which is positive 33x cubed. Then we have a minus 18x squared, nothing alike with that. We have a minus 18x, nothing alike with that, and a positive 27. So there is the answer to that one. It's a multiple choice problem on your practice, so easy enough to pick out. As I pull my iPad back up here for a minute and go to the next problem, maybe. What we're going to do is we're going to be adding and subtracting these. They look more intimidating than they are, in case you're wondering. And in fact, as I look at this problem that I have written down, I hope I copied it correctly, I'm going to eliminate here for the first 2 terms the parentheses. We don't need them. They're just grouped together. So this is going to be minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 9. Over here, this is still really important. In fact, I don't know if this will show up or not on the video, but I'll try to make it a little bit different color there, because that minus is really, really important, and it could cause you to miss the entire problem. But I really want to focus on everything to that, to the left of that minus, because what we have right now, 5x cubed and 5x cubed and minus 2x cubed is going to be 3x cubed. 4x squared, and then over here 3x squared. 4x squared plus 3x squared is 7x squared. 6x minus 7x is minus 1x, and the program does not like you to write the 1. and then minus 3 and plus 9 is plus 6. And then again, really important here, this minus, we've got the 5x plus 3 times the 4x squared plus x minus 1. And what needs to happen, sorry about that, my paper got below the screen there, but now what's going to have to happen is we're going to have to do the distributive property. So 5x times 4x squared, 5 times 4 is 20, x cubed. Again, this is x to the first. We add the exponents when we multiply. 5x times 1x is 5x squared. Again, this is x to the first. We add the exponents. 5x times 1, it's positive 5x times negative 1, which is negative 5x. And then we're going to go here, and here, and here. So 3 times 4x squared is 12x squared. Positive 3 times x is positive 3x. Positive 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And I'm going to put that all in parentheses. And again, the reason being is that there's a minus in front of there, and that's really, really important. So as we combine like terms within this parentheses, what we've got is we've got nothing alike with the 20x cubed, but we've got 5x squared and 12x squared, which is 17x squared. Negative 5x, positive 3x is negative 2x. And then we've got our negative 3 over here. But again, what I've been trying to stress here, this negative, because that negative is going to change the signs of every single term in there. So now I can bring down this, the 3x cubed, plus the 7x squared minus x plus 6, and we're going to distribute. So we're going to get negative times 20x cubed, negative times 17x squared, negative times negative 2x, negative times negative 3. So we get negative 20x cubed. Negative times positive is a negative 17x squared. Negative times negative is positive 2x. And negative times negative is positive 3. So finally, now that we've distributed, we can finish by combining like terms. And we've got like terms here. So 3 minus 20 is negative 17x cubed. 7x squared minus 17x squared, I don't know why I used a check, but minus 10x squared. Minus x and plus 2x. Again, I know the program doesn't like us to write a 1, but it is a 1. Negative 1x plus 2x is 1x. And again, in terms of the answer, they do not like you to write a 1. And then 6 and 3 is 9.